In this video, we'll create a new demo. Okay. So tut3.py and I will copy it the same. Okay, but remove it this one. So we'll change this interface. Okay, a little bit, not too much. Okay. So here, what I will do, maybe I'll change it some here. Return summary. Okay, and in here I'll give name, temperature. Okay, that will gonna be an integer value for now. And what I will return from here is hello with name. Okay, and after this I want something more beautiful. Okay, so to add some more beautiful things over here, I will add it here. It's it is 24, any temperature value. Okay, degree today. Okay, so we'll not just uh, show it here on the name, but we'll give some more details like temperature. Okay, and let's create a return value. Okay, and maybe more details like this morning. I want it like boolean. Okay, and that gonna be over here again. Okay, let's remove everything from here. We want to create a simple string. Okay, and in it hello name. Okay, is any temperature degree, and it's morning. Okay, and let's add some more details over here, and it's if is morning, then we'll add to the return value it's morning. Okay, else nothing, nothing will do. Okay, so we'll return value from here. Okay, okay, let's call this function. And now our input is not just text. Okay, now our input is text, that is name. Okay, another thing is we want a checkbox. Okay, checkbox. Another thing that we want is a slider to get temperature, right? So gr slider from 0 to 100 degree, right? And on output we want text. Okay, and let's remove this, or maybe let it be. Okay, let's try. So Gradio tutorial. Okay, let's see. So I'll be able to see it here. Okay, so enter your name, Samando AI. Okay, morning. So it's temperature. So we added it wrong here. So second must be a temperature. So let me add it. The temperature second, and then a checkbox is morning or not. Okay. So it follows the same over there, the name that you gave. Okay. And that's why you can see that we got wrong details over there. Okay. So you can see now we got perfect now. Temperature is morning or not. Okay. So let's write window AI is morning, temperature 64, and then submit. Okay. So yeah, I read it two times. It's and it's morning. Or very good morning. Okay. So let's how things will be more correct. Okay. I'm not doing any conversion for the temperature. Okay. So name window AI 62 is morning. If I remove is morning, and you see. So this is a way how you can create more customized thing. Okay. And over here you can do more changes if you want. You can input an image also. So if I added image, then you need to add image also here. Okay, image, and its type. Let's do that. Okay, so your three, and you need to give an image also. Okay, then you need to click it and enter it your image, and based on that you can add some more details to the function to use that image and maybe do the conversion. Okay. I hope you liked it, and thank you for watching.